You won't believe the transformative effects that a simple mixture of extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice can have on your body, especially when taken on an empty stomach. This isn't just any ordinary recipe, but rather it's a potent health elixir that you'll find hard to ignore once you discover its incredible benefits. In this video, we're going to explore the wonderful benefits of combining olive oil and lemon juice. We'll show you a simple method to mix these two ingredients and guide you on how to consume this mixture effectively. This easy-to-follow recipe can unlock numerous health benefits for you. So, let's dive in and discover the magic of this healthful blend. Mixing olive oil and lemon juice sounds simple, right? But wait until you hear the benefits. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin type, is a superfood loaded with goodies like antioxidants and heart-healthy fats. It's also packed with vitamins and nutrients. And lemons? They're one of the tangiest fruits around and come loaded with important vitamins and substances your body needs. This blend can do wonders, from improving your digestion to purifying your body, reducing joint pain, preventing premature aging, and even treating gallstones. All right, let's simplify things and go through the numbers. Number 1. The simple mix of lemon and olive oil can make your skin shine and your hair look great. Here's the deal. Lemon juice helps to make more collagen, a protein that can reduce dark circles, clear up acne, pimples, and blackheads. It also improves your skin's stretchiness, preventing wrinkles and making your skin look fresh and lively. And it doesn't stop at your skin. Your hair benefits too. Lemon contains something called potassium citrate, which can help get rid of dandruff. Mix it with olive oil, which moisturizes your scalp, and your hair will look healthier and shinier in no time. Give it a try and drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear how this beauty hack worked for you. Number 2. Imagine a simple, natural blend that could help in your fight against inflammation. That's what you get with the mixture of olive oil and lemon juice. It's not just a mix, but an antioxidant powerhouse, thanks to the polyphenols in olive oil and vitamin C in lemon juice. If you're dealing with inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or multiple sclerosis, this potent mix could be your secret weapon. So, why not harness the power of nature for your health? Number 3. This dynamic duo of lemon and olive oil not only strengthens your memory and boosts your concentration, but it also acts as a shield against Alzheimer's disease. How? Well, this potent mixture is loaded with powerful antioxidants that wage war against the damaging free radicals that contribute to the signs of aging. But that's not all. The high levels of potassium and magnesium found in both lemon and olive oil have positive impacts on your brain and nerves. They act as warriors against depression and tension, helping to sharpen your focus. Number 4. It also kickstarts your blood circulation and supercharges your cardiovascular system. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants like oleic acid and polyphenols. These tiny powerhouses work to cut down the levels of harmful cholesterol, guard against strokes, and shrink the risk factors for heart disease. On the other hand, lemons bring to the table vitamin B2, or riboflavin, a key player in the formation of red blood cells, production of antibodies, and balancing blood pressure. Plus, they're packed with vitamin C, citric acid, magnesium, calcium, pectin, bioflavonoids, and limonene, all of which fortify your immune system, making it a formidable opponent against germs, viruses, colds, and flu. Number 5. The union of olive oil and lemon juice is a soothing balm for your stomach's mucous membranes. It also enhances kidney and gallbladder functions, proving to be an effective remedy for urinary tract infections and constipation. Once metabolized, this acidic concoction gives rise to alkaline byproducts that help detoxify your body. Number 6. This mixture is a boon for your liver, enhancing its performance and making it healthier. It serves as a protective barrier, shielding your liver from hepatitis A by eliminating the virus that causes it and preventing its spread to healthy cells in your body. Number 7. This blend works wonders in maintaining the health of your blood vessels, bones, and teeth. The secret ingredient? The ascorbic acid or vitamin C in lemons. A deficiency of this vital nutrient can lead to diseases like scurvy, characterized by weak capillaries and increased susceptibility to wounds. It can also cause mouth ulcers and persistent bleeding gums. But there's more. Lemons can also eliminate uric acid from your joints, tackling one of the primary causes of arthritis. Number 8. If you're on a weight loss journey, this mixture could be your best friend. The oleic acid in olive oil boosts the production of peptide hormone, an appetite regulator. This enhances your sense of fullness, leading to fewer meals and aiding weight loss. Number 9. Struggling with kidney stones. This mixture might just be the solution. The high concentrations of potassium citrate in lemons can break down the stones, while olive oil aids in moving the stone fragments to the bladder for easy elimination through the urinary tracts. And finally, number 10. Need an energy boost? This mixture has got you covered. Whether you're a hard worker looking to power through the day or simply seeking to enhance your energy levels for various tasks, this blend is your go-to. It acts as a powerful tonic that combats lethargy and fatigue, providing your body with maximum vitality and energy. So why wait? Start reaping these incredible benefits today. Numerous research studies affirm that a diet abundant in olive oil and lemon aids in maintaining the health of your blood vessels and ensures a steady flow of blood, invigorating every part of your body. However, reaping these fantastic benefits hinges on the quality of ingredients you choose, especially the olive oil. It's essential to use extra virgin olive oil, which offers the highest health value. Now, let's get to the preparation. For this mixture, ensure you use extra virgin olive oil that has been packaged from the start in an opaque bottle to block out light. This is crucial as exposure to light can lead to photooxidation, negatively impacting the oil's nutritional value. As for the lemons, they should be fresh and from a trustworthy source. Simply mix a teaspoon each of olive oil and lemon juice. Consume this on an empty stomach in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. In just a few days, you'll start feeling healthier, slimmer, and more energetic. Note that this blend should be mixed and consumed immediately to prevent any chemical reactions between the components that could diminish its nutritional value. Dear viewers, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. If this is your first time with us, consider subscribing to our channel and remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, take care.